Well, hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. On this video I'm going to show you how to snap yourself on Snapchat. Okay, this is good if you want to just memory something or just remember you of something later you have to do. You have to record it, remember, I don't know. Anything could that help you not to forget anything. So you just take your picture, your photo of anything you want, you make your video, and you just go to the search bar, the white bar at the top, and you just search for your own name, just your name, and after your name is going to be written me. So that's you have the 100% sure that you are going to send to just yourself. Okay, so you just select this person, let's say, that's easy use, so you just send the blue button. Okay, so that's it, that's up for today's video. I hope you enjoy, hope you learn it, so I see you on the next one. Bye bye.